The fifth category of the common errors made by the Muslims in the month of Ramadan is neglecting or indulging in the prohibited acts. And there are 12 acts which are common that Muslims indulge in the month of Ramadan, and I like to list them. Number one in this category is backbiting and scandal mongering. Number two, false speech and lying. Number three, vulgar language. Number four, abusive language. Number five, gossiping. Number six, false action. Number seven, listening to music or listening to un-Islamic songs. Number eight, watching un-Islamic movies or watching un-Islamic television programs. Number nine, reading un-Islamic books or magazines. Number 10, going to un-Islamic sites. Number 11 is doing spending excessively and being extravagant in the month of Ramadan. Always being extravagant is haram. And number 12 is wasting food. So these 12 are the common errors which fall in the category of indulging in prohibited acts, and all of this haram. So it's very high category. The three categories which are highest amongst all the seven categories is the first one, doing errors in which are contrary to the obligatory rules of fasting and zakat. Number two, neglecting the farais. And this is the third category, indulging in prohibited acts. These three are the most serious. All of them are either sin or major sins. The sixth category is that common errors done due to the culture and tradition. And there are 12 common errors in this category. Number one is that many Muslims, they stay awake the full night and they sleep the complete day. Number two, many of the Muslims, they are lazy and they are tired and not attentive during the day, during the month of Ramadan, and this defeats the purpose of Ramadan and fasting. Number three is rumor mongering. Number four is wasting time in playing games or in fruitless activities just to pass and kill time. Depending upon the country, like in the Indian subcontinent, people play cricket, some countries play card, they play badminton, they indulge in games and fruitless activity just to kill time. The fifth common error in this category is that many Muslims, they give extravagant and lavish iftar party just to show off. Number six, many of the ladies, they spend excessive time in the kitchen, thus not having time for ibadah during the month of Ramadan. Number seven, many Muslims, they spend time in renovating their homes or their offices and not paying on the ibadah during the month of Ramadan. Number eight is that many of the Muslims, they socialize excessively after Taraweeh. Number nine, many Muslims, they eat throughout the night. Number 10, many of the Muslims, they keep awake and they keep loitering the full night. 11th is many of the Muslims, they spend time during night shopping and not paying attention on the ibadah. And the last and the 12th in this category is that many of the Muslims, they neglect the last 10 nights of Ramadan, which is very important, the Akhiri Ashra, in which high chances that Laylatul Qadr will come, and they pay importance on other things and they neglect the last 10 nights. These were the 12 common errors in the sixth category.